In this video, you'll learn how to automate your CRM using n8n. This guide provides a step-by-step process to set up a workflow that enhances your customer relationship management tasks efficiently. Begin by navigating to the n8n website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for n8n, which will take you to the main interface. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once you arrive at the n8n homepage, locate the section labeled Workflows on the main navigation menu. Click on this option to access your workflows. This area serves as the central hub for managing all your automated tasks and processes. Next, find and click on the button or link labeled Templates within the Workflows section. This will direct you to a variety of pre-built automation templates that can streamline your CRM tasks. Templates save time by providing ready-made workflows that you can customize. After you access the templates, look for a search bar, typically positioned at the top of the page. Click inside the search bar and type in CRM automation. This will filter the available templates to show only those relevant to your search, allowing for a more efficient selection process. Once the search results appear, browse through the list of templates designed for CRM automation. Click on a template that suits your requirements. Each template usually comes with a brief description, helping you to decide which one aligns with your automation goals. Following your selection, locate and click on the button labeled Use for Free. This option enables you to utilize the chosen template without any cost. You will be taken to a new screen where you can review the details of the template before proceeding. After reviewing, click on the button that says Import Template to Own Workspace. This action will initiate the process of adding the selected template to your personal workspace within NAA. Ensure that you have enough storage space in your NA core to accommodate new workflows, as larger templates may require more resources. Upon clicking the import button, a confirmation message may appear indicating that the template is being added to your workspace. Wait for this confirmation to ensure that the import process is completed successfully. Once the template is in your workspace, you can begin customizing it to fit your specific CRM requirements. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.